Microsoft this is a powerful tool for businesses looking to reach a wide audience online. So with its extensive network including Bing, MSN, and other partner sites, it provides access to millions of potential customers who are actively searching products or services. So whether you are a small business owner or part of a large corporation, Microsoft Ads offer flexibility in targeting specific demographics, locations, and even times of day, ensuring that your ads reach the right people at the right time. One of the standout features of Microsoft Ads is its user-friendly platform, making it easy for both beginners and experienced marketers to create and manage campaigns. The platform offers a range of tools to optimize your ads, from keyword suggestion to detailed analytics, and help you track performance and make data-driven decisions. With these insights, you can continually refine your campaigns to improve their effectiveness and maximize your return on investment. Microsoft Ads is known for its competitive pricing. You can set your budget based on your business need. It is pay per click model. You can only pay when someone interacts with your ad. This means you can achieve a significant reach without breaking the bank. Plus, Microsoft's focus on privacy and user trust ensure that your advertising efforts are both effective and ethical. Whether you are looking to boost brand awareness or drive sales, Microsoft Ads offer a comprehensive solution that can help you achieve your business goals.